Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update wash sale adjustments using H&R Block step by step clearly. Open H&R Block on your device and log into your account. Navigate to the Tax Tools section on your dashboard. Select the option for Income from Investments. Locate the section for stock sales or investment income. Review your reported stock transactions for any sales made during the tax year. Identify any wash sales among those transactions. Select the transaction that requires adjustment due to the wash sale rule. Click on the option to edit or adjust the transaction details. Provide the correct date and amount for the wash sale adjustment. Double-check your entries to ensure accuracy. Continue through the prompts until you're back to the summary of your stock sales. Review the updated figures reflecting your wash sale adjustments. If needed, repeat these steps for any additional transactions affected by wash sales. Once all adjustments are made, navigate back to the main tax summary. Ensure that your total income reflects the correct adjusted figures. Continue with the rest of your tax preparation as needed. Save your progress to avoid losing any changes made. When finished, follow the prompts to review and file your tax return. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.